A very good morning, students. Today we are going to do question answers of the chapter J, the Jewel of India. This is Unit 5, Section C, Class 8th English Channel. Let us do first of all about the passage. Read to understand. A. Answer these questions with reference to the context. First, it was a decision that saddened him. This is the line, and on the basis of this line, we have to answer the questions. First, who does him refer to? Answer. Him refers to J.R.D. Tata. Now, B. What decision is referred to here? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru's decision to nationalize Air India is referred to here. What action did he take after the decision was made? Answer. Although Air India was nationalized in 1953, JRD did not lose interest in the airline but continued as a very dedicated chairman. Second, I am not prepared to oblige the government on the former and I am not the latter. A. Who is I here? Answer. I is JRD Tata. B. What does not obliging the government on the former means? He meant that he is not dead. C. What does the speaker mean by I am not the latter? Answer. He meant that he is not a politician. D. What situation prompted him to say this? Answer. He said this so because the Bharat Ratna is usually given to people who are dead or it is given to politicians. B part. Fill in the blanks with information from the text. Write not more than 3 words in each blank. First, J.R.D. Tata was the first Indian to get a dash means commercial pilot's license. Second question. The first flight of Tata Aviation Service connected Bombay, Ahmedabad and Karachi. Third, Air India was nationalized by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1953. Fourth, JRD used his personal wealth to set up JRD Tata Trust and other institutions. 5. Kalpana Chawla and Sudha Murthy were among those inspired by his spirit of adventure and his humanity. Answer these questions. First question. How did JRD develop an interest in flying? Answer. JRD had grown up in France watching the famous aviator Louis Blériot's early flights and had taken a joyride in an aeroplane as a 15-year-old. That was the beginning of a lifelong fascination for flying. Question 2. What distinction did JRD achieve in his mid 20s? How did he respond? Why? Answer. In his mid 20s, JRD earned the distinction of becoming the first Indian to be granted a commercial pilot's license. The blue and gold certificate made him extremely happy as it signaled the beginning of a dream coming true for him. What, according to JRD, was the solution to India's poverty? Answer. JRD was grieved by the poverty he saw around him and concluded that the country's progress lay in controlling its population and in ensuring its people were educated. He fervently believed that India had great intellectual talent. Question 4. What steps did he take that made him a true nation builder? Answer. Nation building wasn't mere rhetoric for him. He proved his genuineness by transferring his personal wealth to the JRD Tata Trust that he set up in 1944 to aid educational and other institutions. A few years later, he sold a part of his share in one of the Tata companies and an apartment in Bombay. He used his money to establish the JRD and Thelma Tata Trust, which still works to improve the lot of India's disadvantaged women. Question number 5. What personality traits and did JRD dislike? Why? Answer. JRD disliked pomposity, carelessness, and casual attitude. He disliked these attitudes because he believed that excellence could only be achieved by taking care to do things correctly and giving attention to seemingly small things as well. Question number 6. Why were all sorts of people drawn towards JRD? Answer. JRD was a humble man who always upheld his principles of trust, sincerity, and diligence. He valued diligent workers and encouraged others to do their best. He was never interested in receiving honors, preferring instead to get things done and practice what he preached. These qualities drew others to him. Discuss and write. These are some of JRD's personal qualities. Put them in an order of importance. First is the most important. Answer will vary. बेटा देखो, आपके आंसर्स वेरी कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप क्या अलग अलग तरीके से समझ सकते हो किसी को. मैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग कर रही हूँ. देखो, फर्स्ट थिंग है कंपैशनेट. ओके, वो बहुत ही कंपैशनेट थे. सेकंड, ट्रस्टवर्दी थे. थर्ड, ऑनेस्ट थे. फोर्थ, सिंसियर थे. फाइव, डिलीजेंट थे. सिक्स, बेनोवोलेंट थे. सेवन, मॉडेस्ट थे. एट, इंडस्ट्रियस. नाइन, एडवेंचरस. टेन, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. 11, रेटिसेंट. 12, शाय. देखो, और दूसरे टू क्वेश्चंस हैं. आई वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू डू हेयर बट आई हैव डन, बिकॉज कुछ बच्चे मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मैम डिस्कस एंड राइट यू हैव नॉट डन. बेटा देखो, विच ऑफ दिस क्वालिटीज डू यू थिंक यू ऑलरेडी हैव. तो ये आपका एक पर्सनल एटीट्यूड है, पर्सनल क्वालिटी है. तो आप खुद ही बता सकते हो अपने बारे में कि आपके अंदर इनमें से कौन सी क्वालिटीज हैं. तो यू हैव टू राइट योर सेल्फ. इसमें आंसर वेरी कर सकते हैं. नॉट सेम आंसर विल नॉट बी देयर. ओके. एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो, विच ऑफ दीज क्वालिटीज वुड यू लाइक टू डेवलप. आप अपने आप में कौन सी क्वालिटीज डेवलप करना चाहते हो, ये भी आपको खुद ही लिखना है. सो दिस इज ऑल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. आई थिंक दिस इज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू.